Now let me show you the menu and button operations of BushOwl night vision camera NV009. This diopter lens eyepiece is for adjusting the luminosity. For the convenience of observation, let's remove the diopter lens eyepiece. This is the objective lens. It is for adjusting the clarity of the target. For different target distances, we adjust this objective lens till the target objective is clear. If the target objective becomes more blurry when you rotate the objective lens left side, then turn it in the opposite direction, that is right side. And this is the menu button. Long press to call out the menu. The first item is exposure adjustment. So if you think it's too much exposure, then tone it down. It is also fine. Then what if you think not bright enough? You can adjust it to a higher level. Let us go to the second item. This is contrast. You can adjust the contrast here. Language selection. Down here is the crosshair. There are 4 types of crosshairs to choose from. You can choose according to your favorite crosshairs. This is the second one, mid dot. This is the third, German radical. This is the fourth, modern rangefinder. The crosshair can be moved downwards and leftward. This is up. This is down. This one is to the left. This is to the right. After adjusting it to the appropriate position, press the OK button to confirm. This is the screen brightness adjustment. If you feel the screen is too dark and you want it to look brighter, go to a brighter tone, where you can adjust it to 100%. So if it's too bright and looks uncomfortable, and you want to make it darker, this is all possible. Then this is zoom in. This is zoom out. This is a factory reset.